Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to our next Stamp Club reveal. I love this set we're fixing to show you. I don't know why I've never done one of these. You would think this would have been one of the first stamp sets we would have done, but I've never done it. First time. So if you're not a member of our club, what you waiting on? Go ahead, look in the description of this video and get the information for how to join the club. Every month, it's a new, never before released stamp set that we reveal to you and send out to you as a club member. And you also, as a club member, receive a 15% discount in our store on most items that you purchase. Okay, I love this one. Again, I don't know what we waited on, but it's real good. You ready for this? This one is called Sick Day. Look how cute, you guys. This Kleenex box is my favorite. This little pill bottle. I love this thermometer. And the Band-Aids, so stinking cute. The sentiments are caught a bug. How about, I hope you are on the mend. I hope you feel better. I hope you get well soon. Or just feel better, get well soon. And then there's ouch. And then there's, what is that called? A capsule? Is that a capsule? Why can I not remember what that's called? And then that's a pill, and then there's a couple of pills lined up on top of each other. And this little bug is a sick bug. Look how he looks. He looks so sick. And then a little like trail for where he flew, a net to catch the bug, and little bugs to go with him. But wait till you see our samples because I'm in love with them. All right, let's start with number one. This is the first sample I made, and I thought it was really cute. Get well soon. And you can see that the Band-Aid is kind of holding the piece together. I think that's adorable. And something I did, which was kind of an accident, was actually was an absolute accident, but it was kind of fun. Do you see the red behind Get Well? I stamped Get Well in red first, and I didn't like it. And I thought, well, I'll redo it, but I wanted to see what it looked like in black first. So I stamped the black on top of the red pigment ink. And I love how it kind of gave it a dimensional look. So I left it. I think it looks really cool. So if you ever want to get a little dimension, add a little color behind like that and kind of offset the stamp. It's beautiful. So there's that one, Get Well Soon. And then Shannon did this one, which I think is adorable. And we wanted to do it as soon as we made the stamp set. This is the tissue box. I'll show you what she did. It's the tissue box cut out. She stamped it on striped paper, cut it out, and then she cut the little hole in this tissue away and put a real tissue in there. Isn't that cute? So you have the whole tissue, which will easily go into an envelope, or you can just stamp it with this tissue if you don't have real tissue. But isn't that precious? I love that. Get well soon. Oh, and she wanted me to tell you she did this with the Playtime paper from Mente. She was like, because it doesn't seem very get well. Let me show you. It doesn't seem very get well soon, but it works perfect on this card. So I thought that was a good tip. And then the last one is my last one. It is Caught a Bug. I think this is adorable. Let me show you what I did. So I stamped the prescription bottle first. Then I masked it with a piece of masking, and I'll show you what that looks like. I used the Brutus Monroe masking paper, and it's that little sticker right there. So I stamped it onto masking paper, and then I put that sticker over this guy, and I stamped the image again going sideways. Okay. In hindsight, I probably should have cut the cap off and like laid it out too, but I didn't. It's all right. But then inside of it, I cut the bottle out. I want to show you the part I cut out. I cut out the part that has the RX on it and made it an open hole and added some acetate. There's the acetate. See that? And I put that little bug in it, and he will shake. There he goes. He does move in there. Okay. And it says caught a bug. And there he is. And then you can see he kind of flew into the bottle. And then these guys are flying all around. And I thought this looked like somebody off to the side, like taking their temperature. Thought it was cute. And yes, I cut every single one of those out by hand. It really wasn't hard. It's very cute. I just wanted to have them all laid out there like that. I thought it was adorable. So that is Caught a Bug. And I'll bring these back over. Let's bring these guys back. That's the set for this month. I think it's so cute, and I think you're going to get a lot of use out of it. I didn't even get started with the little guy. There's so many things you could do with him too. But if you were looking for something to send somebody who's just not feeling very well, maybe they've gone through surgery, maybe they're just getting over a long cold, because we know we've all had them. This will be a fun one to send a card to somebody with. All right, guys, that is the card. Now remember, or that is the stamp set rather. If you're in our stamp club, be sure to make a project with this stamp set, post it to our customer gallery at MaymayMadeIt.com, because that enters you to win a $50 gift card for next month. So if you entered last month, check the first line of the description of this video and see if you were the winner. All right, guys, thanks so much for being a part of our club. I hope you love this one as much as we do and have as much fun as we did making those cards. Until next time, bye now.